beautiful moms, and hello proud papas. Hope you're all fine and your babies are also doing great. So babies and toddlers often fall sick due to diarrhea, and the reason can be anything like food poisoning, food allergy, bacterial infection, or even teething. So recently my daughter Amanthi was down with diarrhea. So I just thought of preparing this video to share some tips and home remedies that helped me a lot during this phase to treat her diarrhea. So if you want to watch more videos about mother care, child care or pregnancy, please subscribe to my channel. And now let's move towards today's video. So very first home remedy that I would suggest you is breastfeeding. If your baby is below 6 months, you should keep breastfeeding your baby. And if your baby is more than 6 months and you are still breastfeeding, it is a very good idea to keep breastfeeding your baby. Breast milk actually has all the antibodies to fight any kind of infection. So it would be a very good home remedy for your baby to fight with diarrhea. If problem persists, please go ahead and contact your doctor. Second home remedy is ORS. Due to diarrhea, babies can actually dehydrate, and then it is very important to rehydrate them. So even doctors suggest ORS. Well, ORS will not stop diarrhea for your baby, but it will definitely replace all the fluid and salts that are lost due to diarrhea, and that will help your baby to gain the energy. So your doctor may prescribe you some specific ORS, so you can just go and buy that ORS, or you can even prepare ORS at home. For that you just need to add half a tablespoon of salt and 6 tablespoons of sugar in 1 liter of water. Give this ORS solution to your baby every hour, and that will definitely help you. Third home remedy is pomegranate juice. Well, pomegranate is very effective to reduce the inflammation of stomach, and it is also good to improve digestion of your baby. So you can actually prepare pomegranate juice at home very easily by two methods. Either you can blend pomegranate seeds directly into blender and then strain it, or you can actually press the pomegranate seeds with the potato masher or even a steel vessel or metal vessel if you have at home, and then strain it. Sabudana or sago water. Well, sabudana or sago water is very effective home remedy to stop loose motions. So you just need to boil the sabudana or sago in water till it completely immerses and then strain it. Give this water to your baby, and that will definitely help reduce diarrhea. Banana. Banana is a miracle fruit for your baby when your baby has diarrhea. Well, banana not only helps to improve the digestion, it will also help your baby's stool to get firmer. It will also help your baby to get back the normal bowel movement. Well, when Amanthi was down with diarrhea, I used to give her banana a lot. It is not only filling, but it is also easy to eat for your babies. Sixth home remedy is curd. Well, I have seen many parents are afraid to feed their babies curd because they think it may cause cough and cold. But actually curd is a very good food for your baby as it is probiotic. Well, in simple words, it has a lot of good bacteria that will improve your baby's digestion, and in turn it will improve your baby's bowel movement. As it is cool in its nature, it will also soothe your baby's digestive system and provide relief to constant irritation. Seventh home remedy is apple sauce or apple puree. Well, apple is a very good home remedy to treat diarrhea at home because it is full of pectin, which helps forming the bowel movement of your baby. Well, apple not only helps in improving your baby's digestion, but it will also give a good amount of energy to your baby. Well, during this time your baby's digestion is not good, so I would not suggest you to give apple directly to your baby. Rather, you should boil it or steam it properly and make a puree of it, and that will make it more softer and easy to digest for your baby. I have already made a video to explain the recipe how to prepare an apple sauce for your baby when your baby is down with diarrhea. So you can find a link on iTab above. Please go and watch it. It will be really helpful for you. Eighth home remedy is buttermilk. If your baby is 8 months old or above, then you can try this home remedy, as buttermilk soothes baby's digestive system very quickly. You can add some salt and pepper powder to it. Hopefully your baby will also like the taste. Ninth home remedy is rice water. Well, rice water is very easy to digest and gives a lot of energy to your baby during diarrhea. It is very easy and very common home remedy. You just need to wash the rice properly and boil it for like 15 minutes. Make sure you add a lot of water when boiling, because after 15 minutes all the water should not get evaporated. There should be a good amount of water that you need to strain and then feed it to your baby. You can add a pinch of salt in it for taste. 10th home remedy is boiled potato. Boiled potato is very easy to digest and very helpful during loose motions. You just need to boil the potato very properly. It should be properly, completely cooked, and then you should mash it, add some pinch of salt, and give it to your baby. I would also like to give you some tips and tell you certain things that you should avoid doing when your baby is down with diarrhea. Sometimes babies cannot digest milk properly during diarrhea. When Amanthi was down with diarrhea, she was not able to digest the milk. Every time she used to drink the milk, she used to vomit. It took her almost 2 weeks, even after her diarrhea was completely treated and even after her loose motions were stopped completely. It took her almost 2 weeks to get back to normal and to be able to drink the milk again. So if that is the case in your baby, you should actually stop feeding your baby milk or milk products like butter or cheese. Rather, give your babies curd or buttermilk that are probiotic and that will help your baby's digestion to improve. If your baby is already eating some spicy food, please stop giving any kind of spices during this time, because even a small amount of spices can make the situation worse. Avoid unhygienic surroundings, because infection is the most common reason for diarrhea. Please maintain cleanliness around your baby and keep cleaning your baby's toys and teethers before you give it to them. Please avoid over-the-counter medicines. If some simple home remedies are not helping your baby to improve the digestion or to stop the diarrhea, please contact your doctor. Without doctor's permission or without doctor's prescription, please do not give any kind of over-the-counter medicines to your baby. So that's all for today. Let me clear that I am not a doctor or any kind of specialist, but I am just trying to share my experiences with you all, guys. If you are liking my videos, please like and subscribe my channel, and please let me know what else you want me to make a video on. Please write something in comment box and let me know how do you like my videos. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye.